Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Collanote and creating a fresh page so strokes behave predictably. Select the pen, pick a stroke width and color that match your intention, thinner for notes, thicker for sketches. Once done, enable stylus input and palm rejection so accidental touches won't disrupt lines. You do this now to ensure consistent pressure and tilt behavior. Otherwise, you'll adjust repeatedly mid-scribble. Make sure your device has sufficient battery and restart Collanote. Note if the stylus feels laggy. You begin scribbling with short, confident strokes, connecting motion to the idea you want to capture. This yields clearer shapes than long, tentative lines. Once done, layer strokes to build texture or shading, lowering opacity to suggest depth without clutter. Make sure to use the lasso to isolate segments for resizing or nudging. It's faster than erasing everything. If something goes wrong, tap undo immediately and try a different angle or pen tip. Practice a few gestures to speed workflow. You finish by grouping related scribbles and, if needed, flattening layers so exports look identical across devices. Export as PDF or PNG for sharing or archival, making sure alignment and margins are correct. Once exported, review at 100% to catch stray strokes. If lines appear jittery, adjust Collanote's smoothing settings or recalibrate your stylus. Disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth if lag persists. Finally, save a copy in your notebook. That preserves editability while you share the flattened file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.